नमस्कार सभी को। केंद्रीय विद्यालय सीएमएम जबलपुर आज 29 अगस्त 2020 को राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस के रूप में मनाने जा रहा है। वर्तमान में कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक के चलते हमारे विद्यालय पूरी तरह से बंद हैं, लेकिन इस पैंडेमिक का प्रभाव किसी भी रूप में बच्चों की एक्टिविटीज़ पर ना पड़े, इसी भावना के साथ राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस को हम ऑनलाइन तरीके से मनाने जा रहे हैं। मैं पूरे विद्यालय परिवार की ओर से आप सभी विद्यार्थियों, शिक्षकों एवं अभिभावकों को राष्ट्रीय खेल दिवस की बधाई एवं शुभकामनाएं देता हूं। National Sports Day is celebrated every year on August 29 on the occasion of the birth anniversary of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. Every year on this day, Arjun and Khel Ratna awards are confirmed by the President of India. Importance of sports, games and physical work or exercise. Physical activity. What are the benefits of physical activity? Promotes health and fitness, builds healthy bones and muscles, reduces the risk of developing obesity and risk factors for diseases such as type 2 diabetes and heart disease, reduces the symptoms of anxiety and depression, can positively affect concentration, memory and classroom behavior. The brain benefits of exercise: increases production of neurochemicals that promote brain cell repair, improves memory, lengthens attention span, boosts decision making skills, prompt growth of new nerve cells and blood vessels, improves multitasking and planning. Gems of KVS in the field of sports: Colonel Rajyavardhan Singh Rathore, Padma Shri and Ati Vishisht Seva Medal. An Indian politician, Olympic medalist and retired army officer. He won 25 international medals at various championships, including a silver medal at 2004 Summer Olympics in men's double trap event. Muskan Kirar, archery, won silver medal at Asian Games 2018. She is an alumna of KV1STC Jabalpur. Opportunities offered by Kendriya Vidyalayas in sports and games. The Kendriya Vidyalayas give more opportunities not only in academics but also in other co-curricular activities like sports and games, etc. that leads to better personality development of students. KVS provides platform for the players by conducting regional sports meet and national sports meet for various games and sports, and later on the best players are selected for SGFI on the basis of their performance in KVS National Sports Meet. Students are given full financial support and coaching to participate in these events. Shweta Dubey, she is a student of our Vidyalaya, means Kendriya Vidyalaya CMM Jabalpur, participated in SGFI for the rope skipping and bagged prizes in silver medal in speed relay and bronze medal in double dutch 45 seconds. Opportunities offered by government to a sportsman. Most of the government sectors including railways, Indian Army, police, banks, universities, PSUs recruit meritorious sports players time to time. These departments of Government of India are always looking forward to encourage the players. This would in return provides the job security to players and intensify their desire to achieve glory through sports for the country. Thank you.